Today I'm going to show you how to take these nails and make them water drop nails. So we're starting off with nail prep dehydrator and a primer. So first we're going to go in with the nail dehydrator, and this is very important because everybody naturally has lots of like oil and gunk on their nails, and the dehydrator just gets rid of all of that so that the nail extension will adhere better. And trust me, you don't want to skip this because your nails will be popping off left and right. I learned that the hard way. And so after the dehydrator, you're going to want to put on the nail primer. I just got this one from Young Nails. I was using one that came in like the Amazon kit that I got, but it was trash. And as you can see, it kind of like ate out my nails. It was an acid primer, and this one is a non-acid primer. So after the primer, I'm going to go ahead and put the gel extensions on. I'm using a gel nail glue that came with the kit that I got. I'm going to put a little bit on my natural nail, cure it for like 5 or 10 seconds, and then put on the extension and cure that for another 10 seconds. I have this little tiny baby lamp that came with the kit again, but you're going to want to cure that under a big lamp because that little baby lamp is not going to do much in the long term. So there's my left hand, and then I'm going to go file away any extra nail glue that seeped out because we don't want to look scraggly. And we're filing, and then I got this drill bit. Excuse the frame, I don't know what I was doing, but I got this drill bit from Amazon, and it helps seal the cuticle, which I found out is very important so that your nail doesn't lift up at the cuticle part, because there's like a little bit of gel and nail extension that gets like caught up, and that will be the #1 reason why your nail pops off. So this is actually the one part of the video that is not sped up. I'm doing this in real time, and you can see how much like better and cleaner it looks once I go over with the file with this little drill bit. And it looks like it's growing out of my nail rather than like looking like a press-on nail, which is not the vibe. So I'm going over the rest of my nails. Now this part is sped up. Like, you don't want to go too fast. You want to take your time or whatever. I'm going around the cuticle. It doesn't hurt. It just gets off the little like gook. Yeah. And then I'm filing like the sharpness off of the nail because it can be very stabby, these stiletto tips. But filing that off so it could be like a little more smooth and round. And now we're gonna go in with the water droplet part. And actually, like, I found this thing on Pinterest and I want to recreate it, but I don't have like the colors. I only have one shade of blue, so had to make it work. And so I mixed it with a little bit of top coat and a little bit of white, so that I can make like this custom cloudy color, like, you know, look like water or whatever. So I painted that on. Yeah, it's a little sloppy, but you just go in and you just clean it up with acetone. It's all good. You don't have to be perfect as long as you clean it up. And then I'm going in with the rhinestone gel glue that I'm using to create these little droplets. It's very thick, so you see me like whirling it around, try to get off the little thick scraggly parts. There's a lot of scraggly parts when you do nails, so don't, you know, make it scraggly. And I'm just putting it on. I'm using a dotting tool, which I think I got from Shein, but they're all over the place, honestly. You can get them Amazon, Shein, Beauty Supply. You can use a pin. You could use a lot of things. Like, this doesn't have to be perfect. You just want it to look like you just got caught in the rain kind of a thing. So this one I'm doing, and just taking my time to find out like where I want to put the droplets. This nail tool has two sides. One is like a big dotting tool and the other one's like small. I ended up using the big one for all of it, but I really should have used both sizes to get like more variation, so it didn't look like polka dots and it looked like, you know, actual water droplets that had settled. Also messed up because I just painted the nail, cured it, and then went in with the water droplets. I should have put a coat of top coat because now there's no top coat. Like, so this set is not gonna last as long as it could because there's no top coat. So now for the other side, I am going to do it a little bit darker because the inspo I had, she had 2 different nail colors, whatever. And so I'm putting a little touch of black, like little tiny touch. And then I'm going to put a little clear too because I want it to be sheer. And again, I messed up because I should have done 2 coats, but I was being lazy. So I just did one. Like, I ended up doing my nails like really late at night. Oh yeah, and I added a little bit of green because it was looking too like gray. So this made it back and looking more blue. So yeah, I'll be doing my nails really late at night, and it's very annoying because I'll be tired and I'm like, oh my god, I just want to be done, but I want to look cute but also want to be done. So I'll just be like, you know, doing whatever, skipping steps or whatever, but it's fine because I did it myself, you know. It's not like I paid for it, so it's cool. And I change my nails a lot, so this probably get changed in the next week and a half, so it's fine. Just don't look too closely or whatever. You get the drill, right? So I'm doing all the droplets on my other hand, going in with the rhinestone gel glue. If you don't have rhinestone gel glue, you can use top coat. It's just way thinner, so you know, be careful. But this is how it looks at the end. Hope you liked it. Bye.